Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. And today we're checking out this pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer ST. Exterior color is red, and under the hood we have a 3.0 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our auto headlamps and fog lamps, and over the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera with reverse sensing system, and a power liftgate. The interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows, and as you move closer into the cabin you will see our black leather seating with adjustments at the side. Above we have a twin panel moonroof. Over at our steering column we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a leather wrap steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right are median hands-free options. As we look ahead in our settings, you will see we have driver's assistance, 911 assist, sound clock, SIRIUSXM, general display, navigation, connectivity, we have Bluetooth connection, FORDPASS Connect, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and voice control. This ST has driver and passenger massage seats, so we have low rolling, upper rollings, circular cushion, recovery, and relax recovery. And below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We do also have heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. A heated steering wheel. And below we have our dual cup holders, gear shift, and storage, as well as our USB connections. And at the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. There's also a second row captain chair, and they are heated as well. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer ST, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.